On this channel, we do like to talk all things locks, lifestyle, and mental health. So there's something that is, if that is something that interests you, make sure you guys go ahead and like the video and subscribe to my channel. Come and say hey, hurry up.
Hi, my name is Italy.
Here. You got to look here.
Hi, my name is Italy.
You have to look here at the camera.
Hi, my name is Italy.
Okay, now bye. All right, so today I'm super excited because I'm going to be doing my hair. Now, if you guys have not already seen it, I did say that I was going to put I was going to wait and do an update on my hair because I was putting extensions in my hair, which I did kind of sort of. I put some of my husband's hair in my head that he had shaved off from when he had cut his hair to a low cut. This was some years ago because now he has locks. But because of the way that he had cut it off, I couldn't really braid it or crochet it into my undercut, and that is basically what we're going to be working on today. I may add a couple of extensions to the top part of my hair as well, where it's a little bit shorter, just to get some length going on as far as that goes as well. But this is the hair that I got. I got the 100% human hair bulk, and just the color natural 1B, I believe. So this is how the hair looks, basically like 2 bundles, and I'm just going to be using this. I'm gonna just braid it in and twist it at the back of my hair, and then the ones in the front, I'm gonna probably just do the same thing, just braid in and twist at the end. And then I know y'all probably like, girl, you about to use this dark hair and your hair is not even that color. That's okay, because I'm also going to be dyeing my hair. Since this is human hair, I'm going to be dyeing it medium auburn. Now I did get this. Now I did get this this dye from Dollar Tree, so I'm not exactly sure how it's going to work out. But I have used it before, so normally blonde doesn't work when I use the Dollar Tree hair dye, but any other color, like darker colors, work. So I wanted to do something darker because it is the fall now, so I don't really want something that light. So let me go ahead and pin my hair up, and then we're going to go ahead and get into the video. Alright, so I got my hair pinned up, and I'm just going to turn around, and I'm going to get my phone so I can try to see the viewfinder, so I can make sure it's zoomed in so you guys can see what I'm doing. Like I said, the back part of my hair is really short, so I may end up having to get my husband to help me with the bottom part. But basically what I'm going to do, just to show you guys, I'm going to take the hair. I'm trying to do like smaller-ish sizes, so this is one little piece. And then I'm going to take another little piece like this. I'm gonna just pull it out until it stops having like the little strings, and then I'm across it, and that is how, and that is how I am going to incorporate the hair into my head. So I'm just gonna turn around. did go ahead and do my hair. I finished it up. I just finished retwisting it, but I'm not going to leave it like this. I'm actually going to be doing like 2-strand twists in there to dye the lock extensions, but they didn't really dye like I wanted them to. So the extensions that I bought, well, the human hair that I bought was natural black, and they, on the website that I bought it from, it recommended buying the natural black if I was going to consider dyeing my hair, so that's why I got the natural black. It didn't dye like I wanted to. I probably should have maybe tried bleaching it first before dyeing it, before going straight to a different color from the natural black that it was, which that's normally how my natural hair is anyways. Anytime I dye my hair like a natural black color, I have to end up, if I'm trying to go back to a lighter color, I either one have to gradually build my way back up, which meaning dye it like a burgundy color or a brown and then go back up that way, or either I have to go strictly with bleaching, but I don't try to bleach my hair. But I feel like I should have probably bleached the hair extensions. But anyways, I did finish it, so I'm just going to turn around so that you guys can see.
Let's do it. Nope. Me neither. Oh, thanks. Come as you are. We can post up in my room and toast.
Hi.
Nice.
No, really?
No. Be serious.
If you walk in front of that camera one time. Alright, yeah, so that is how the extensions came out. Looking at it in the camera, I actually think that it did turn out a lot better than I thought. It's blending a lot better. It just didn't dye the color of what I did. So I just did my hair a full auburn color for the fall. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So this will be the first day of my... You want to say hey to my video? You want to say hey in my video? Bend down and say hey. Everybody
That's
else
my
say
daddy. Hi.
right there. You're looking at the
Hi.
camera. It's my husband, everybody. Well, everybody knows my husband.
Hi.
Everybody's wanting to be in my video today. Anyways.
And y'all been watching our videos before.
So anyways, this is day 1 of the extensions. And I will keep you guys updated as far as how the extensions go. And how they lock into my hair. But yeah, so that's pretty much it. And I will see you guys on my next video. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, like the video, comment, and all that good stuff.
And give this a thumbs up.
And give the video a thumbs up. Now say bye.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.